welcome to my brand new apartment tour here in New York City. So, where should I begin? Should I start here? Should I start here? Should I start here? Should I start here? How about here? What about here? What about here? What about in the kitchen? Well, not the refrigerator. I'm Jen and welcome to my brand new apartment tour here in New York City. This is an empty apartment tour, which is a really rare thing to be able to do in New York. My last couple of apartments have been fully furnished and I have been subletting, so it's actually kind of impossible to do if you're subletting. But this is a brand new apartment. I was able to get the keys a couple days before the lease begins, before we all move in. You will see that there is still some work to be done, so the walls still need to be painted and stuff. But what a cool opportunity to be able to measure and prepare myself for my move and share this experience with you if you are moving within New York City or somewhere else and want to be prepared for one of the craziest places to move into, New York, where it is super expensive for what you get. But I am so happy to be sharing this apartment because it is pretty affordable for the area. It's in a very trendy area called Williamsburg in Brooklyn. And because of the L train shutting down for the next year until 2019, I am really excited that this was more affordable and there are still other trains, people. So I'm gonna be taking the other train that's available here in Williamsburg. There are actually 3 train options. The L will shut down, there'll be 2 other options. I'm not worried. So anyways, it includes brand new appliances, amazing space. I have not had this much living room space in a long time. I've not seen this much living room space in a lot of apartments around this price range. So that's exciting. I am basically on this whole new adventure, this whole new apartment series. I hope you enjoy it. And the outdoor space here is amazing. We have our own balcony. We also have an upstairs rooftop and a backyard. I'm gonna film so many videos here. You wait, you watch. Don't forget to click the subscribe button though, okay? Cool, okay, bye. Time to take the tour. When you first walk in, there's a long hallway leading up to the living room, and every room has air conditioning and heating units up there. We are going to start here with the closet. This is a shared closet. It is a great size to fit everyone's coats, winter shoes, things like that. There's a lot of storage on top, which is really nice. I really like that we can put sort of boxes and paper towels and shared things up there. And then there's this super fancy buzzer security system, which I have not figured out yet. The living room in general is a really huge space, which is really unique, which I am so happy about. Welcome to the kitchen with all new appliances, a real-size stove, a microwave, a refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. The previous tenant actually left this kitchen island and hanging thing for pots and pans, which is so helpful. One of my favorite things about the kitchen is the tile backsplash. There are even multiple outlets, which is super convenient. Cannot wait to start cooking here soon. Here we have a bunch of cabinet space. The fridge has this epic blue lighting, not sure why, but I love it. Here are the 2 smaller bedrooms. Each bedroom can fit a queen-size bed. And then this is the bathroom, really nice shower head up there. Back into the living room, we're gonna go look at the master bedroom first. When you first walk in, there are 2 huge doors that open up. Plenty of closet space, as you can see. That's the air conditioning and heating unit up there. You can open this up for the shared balcony, if you can open it, that is. There we go. And that's basically that. And this is another view of one of the bedrooms. You have these pretty good sized closets where you can store a lot. You even have storage on the top. Each bedroom lets in so much light. It makes me so happy. I lived in sublets in New York City where the bedroom had no window or a tiny, sad excuse for a window. So this is a welcome change. I don't even need to buy a standing light for my room because there are overhead lights already there. There are also so many outlets that I don't even know what to do with them. I can charge everything I own at the same time if I really wanted to. So we've got 1, 2, this is 3 outlets, and wait for it. It's coming, hold on, there. 4 outlets, and I can even hook up cable in my bedroom. Oh, and did I mention there's even surround sound Bluetooth speakers built into the living room? Almost forgot, the building also has a gym, lounge, bike storage, and laundry. Seriously, dream apartment right here. So if you enjoyed this tour, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button so you don't miss a future video. This is only the beginning of a huge apartment tour series that I am about to embark on, sharing more about the cost of living in New York City, how to really find a dream apartment like this, and so much more. As always, say yes to new adventures, and I'll see you next time. Bye.